Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video. Yes, don't adjust your screen. That is the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I picked it up when I also picked up the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is in graphite, but I never had a Galaxy tablet before, so I wanted to try it out. It comes in a couple different options. You have like the S8, the S8 Plus, and then the S8 Ultra. But in this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing, go over the specs really quick, and then go over the tablet with you and see what you get in the box. But nice presentation. You can read it there. You have some tape. The unboxing knife. I'm excited to actually use this tablet. Will it replace my laptop? Probably not, but it's good to have it. And then it has some specs up there too. Let's see. This thing is big though, but the box doesn't weigh too much. Oh, it's light. Let's put that on the side. So you do get the pen with it. That's actually pretty cool. You don't have to come out of pocket and actually pay for it. What else you get in here? Some books. Charging cable. There you go there. Nice charging cable. No, you do not get the charging brick, not even in the Tab S8 Ultra. Should they add the charging brick? Yes, probably so. And then this is the SIM injection tool. This actually has, this is the Wi-Fi model, but it also has a SD card slot, and it looks like some paperwork in there too. So let's get into why we came here. All right, so here's the tablet itself. Man, this is bigger than my camera. Let's see how you open this thing up. I'm getting trolled. Oh. But this thing is light though. Oh man. Oh, ooh. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. That is huge, y'all. Let's see where's the power button at on this thing. See, I haven't watched any videos on it. So, all right, so that is powering up. Let's go over the specs and let's go over the tablet itself. So you have your charging port, USB Type-C. Looks like you have a speaker on that side. Speaker maybe there too. At the top, you have your SD card slot. And she's talking to me. Then also, you have the power button, the volume rockers at the top too. Then on this side, you have another speaker, looks like a mic, and also more speakers. Now, which are these mics or speakers? I don't know. Ooh. Now at the back, at the front, you have two 12 megapixel cameras up there. You have your regular lens, and then you have the ultra wide. Let me try to find a stand for this thing too. Okay everyone, so I was able to go ahead and get a stand for it, but I also set it up while I was, looking for that stand. And if you can't hear the excitement in my voice, I don't know what's wrong, because this thing is a beast. Look how beautiful this is. Now, will this replace my laptop? Probably not, but I probably will be using this a lot because I also have the keyboard stand with it and the keyboard case from Samsung, which I got for free, but this is a beast. Now, these things on the side are speakers. I did try that out. They actually sound really good too. And the power button, like I said, is up there, the volume rockers. But let's go over the specs really quick In front of you is the 14.6 inch AMOLED panel. It's 120 hertz refresh rate, which is great. It's the first time I think they did it on a panel this big. The resolution is 1848 by 2960. This model has 128 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM, 11,200 milliamp hour battery. It's running Android 12 straight out the box. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip in there. The front cameras, like I mentioned earlier, is two 12 megapixel cameras. It has the wide and then the ultra wide. And then the rear camera is actually a 13 megapixel with a 6 megapixel ultra wide, capable of doing 4K at 60. So we will test out the cameras on there. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from this thing here. But look, this is it's beautiful, man. Look at that, the pen just sits there too. The only question do I have, will it rock while it has the pen back there? And it does not rock. Check out the fingerprint scanner too. Let's see, sometimes, oh, that's actually pretty quick. That's actually pretty quick. All right, y'all let me know what other videos you want to see on this device. I was just trying to do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Yes, I'm excited to actually get to use it and play around with it a little bit more. Stay tuned to the channel. I might even try to game on this thing and see how it can handle games. Do some video tests, I guess. I don't know. Again, it's just been a quick video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, Ultra, whatever you want to call it. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out. That's a beautiful thing, y'all.